Welcome back to Only the Truth Review.
Welcome back to Only the Truth Reviews. Somebody just said that. Deja vu?
Well, we got an episode for you today. We don't even have to worry about copyrights today, I'll tell you what.
No, that kind of got us left.
That's because we're reviewing Barry Manilow, guys.
This was another request. By the way, we actually do requests, and this is the second one from somebody that's a subscriber.
Subscribers,
subscribers.
Those guys.
That's right. So we want you to check it out. But
be a subscriber.
Be a subscriber, yeah.
Send us a comment.
You bet. The more subscriptions we get, the better the content gets, and the less they kind of monitor us.
Yeah.
So get this subscription down. Also, share it.
Yeah.
Put it on your Facebook page. Share it on your social media. We really appreciate that a lot.
The more Barry Manilow videos we do, the less copyright infringements we have to worry about.
And here's another thing too. Nobody is paying us a dime to do these videos. This is us coming to you and talking to you guys. So no, we don't get free stuff. We don't get paid. We don't get nothing. So anyway, we don't want to infringe on copyrights. So here we go. This is a Barry Manilow song that was requested by one of our subscribers, and it's called Made It Through the Rain. So you probably haven't heard it. I think I've heard it a couple times.
A true musician plays through all the rainy days, and somehow he survives. He keeps his music warm, protects it from the storm, until his luck arrives. Then he feels the sun appear, getting him through those weather-beaten years. I made it through the rain, I kept my songs protected. I made it through the rain, I kept my point of view.
What?
What?
Is he? Never mind. Who's he sticking it to? Like, who's he telling this to? Who's his target? Because, like, I know, I get you, Barry Manilow. I know you made it through, but like,
he's talking about he's been through bad times, and the rain's the bad time. Okay. I think that's what the gist of the song is.
Okay.
What do you think of his voice?
Did he just break up with like a girlfriend or something after this?
He may have. He probably not a girlfriend. Barry came out a few years back with his love partner.
It just seems like a song that he's trying to tell someone that told him he was never going to be anything. Like, hey, look at me, I'm a star now.
Made it through the rain and found myself respected by the others who got rained on too and made it through. No matter how it rains, the true musician plays, 'cause music must be made.
Okay, have you ever seen The Office?
Yeah.
Okay. You know the main character in The Office?
Yeah.
Steve Carell, right? That's his name, isn't it?
The little short guy with the black hair that played Noah. He played Noah too in God. What's it called?
Is this the real life version of that character? Because like the way he's writing, the way his words are being written, and the way he's bringing this music off, it feels like I'm watching
The Office.
The manager from The Office on his musical debut. Michael Scott.
Before you draw the crowd, you pull
That's one line I don't. He kept his songs protected.
I think he's talking about his musical career.
Okay.
I think that's what this song's about, because he talks about his songs, and the very first thing was about a singer. So I think this is about his career, because you know what this guy did? He used to do the jingles for like Coca-Cola or Pepsi or something.
I'm just glad it's not a metaphor.
He was a
I'm glad it's
jingle writer.
straightforward.
I think it's about his life. I think that's what this song's about, is about the life of Barry Manilow. And when he did this song, I think it was about the time he came out of the closet.
The rain, I kept my point of view. I made it through the rain and found myself respected by the others who got rained on too and made it through. I made it through the rain.
Guy can sing.
I kept my songs protected. I made it through the rain. I kept my point of view. I made it through the rain and found myself respected by the others who got rained on too and made it through. I made it through. I made it
Barry Manilow.
Okay.
Barry Manilow made it through the rain.
We made it through.
We made it through
Barry Manilow.
We made it through Barry Manilow. So, like I said, that was a request from one of our subscribers. You got to listen to them, man. You got to let them, because they want to hear their song. Now, what do you think of the music?
The music.
The music.
It was very stereo. Like, okay, imagine a 1980s TV show like Dallas.
Okay.
And they have to have an introduction song to that, you know. So like, that's what it is. They got all the big tubas and trombones and crash cymbals, and it's just this big orchestral performance.
Okay. Now, he writes this. Barry Manilow writes it all. Writes the words, writes the songs.
Cool.
The singer, the voice.
Not my style, but he wasn't bad.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Me, I've heard this song before. I still think it's about his musical career is what the song is about, passing a message that even when people laugh at you and kick you down, that you can come back and make it through the storm, the rain, whatever he's making it through.
It might also mean something like it doesn't matter how generic your music lyric is, you know, if you believe in it enough, you're gonna.
Guy's got a lot of hits.
Yeah, hey.
Guy's got a lot of hits. And that's one of the great things that we get to do is tell you what we think about it. If we like it, we like it. If we don't, we don't. This one right here is not one of my favorite Barry Manilow songs.
Yeah, me neither.
It's not one of my favorites, but I don't dislike it.
Okay.
Okay, so what is it time for now?
That moment of truth.
That moment of truth, where we give you the opinion of us, either thumbs up, thumbs down, or no opinion, in 1, 2, 3. Both of us kind of Barry, we like what you do as far as your performance, you're good, but I'm not in love with this song at all.
Yeah, this song didn't hit for me at all.
Did not. Number one hit though. I mean, it was the number one song.
Good for Barry. Good for Barry.
Yeah. Hey, but like we told you at the very start of all this stuff that we've been doing, the journey is here. We're going to tell you the truth.
Yeah.
If we don't like it, we don't like it. If we like it, we do.
Yeah.
Not one of my favorite Barry Manilow songs, but it was a request. So we can throw it out there. There you go.
It felt like Michael Scott was singing me a tune. At least it was entertaining a little bit because it reminded me of The Office and how Michael Scott would sing a music song.
And hey,
I wonder if they made that character after Barry Manilow.
they might have. They might have. Guys,
Is Barry
girls,
Manilow like weird and like?
he is out there.
Yeah?
He is out there.
Like
He is Liberace. If
That's-
you don't
yeah.
know who Liberace, I guess you might have heard
Yeah,
of him.
Liberace.
Was the guy in the 40s and 50s.
Liberace over here. Liberace over here.
This is the Liberace of the 70s, 80s, and 90s. And he's still performing, by the way. Barry Manilow, I believe he's 104, and he is still out there performing right now.
Give it a break,
Yeah,
Barry.
he's maybe 103. But hey, Barry, some of the stuff you do is we like. This one, we're here. Both of us right there on the Moment of Truth. But hey, guys and girls out there, we appreciate you watching and listening. If you don't agree with us, feel free to make that clear in the comments. If you agree with us, make it clear in the comments. Throw some requests at us. We'll actually take your requests. We like telling the truth about what we see and what we do.
There's no more Barry Manilow. Come on.
If they want Barry Manilow, we're gonna have Barry Manilow.
Oh,
you
man.
gotta do what the people want, man. You gotta.
I don't hate Barry Manilow. That's the thing. I can't say anything bad about the guy. He's all right.
Hey, this is Dennis and Justin coming to you from the Cincinnati Razorback Room. So until next time, remember, tell the truth.